All right, just got to the Dolphin SwimClub where the skate park is. There's the sign, the entrance. Here we go. Looks like the skate park's over this way. Back over here. Yep, and here's the skate park up here. All right.
It's right next to the old Dolphin SwimClub pool.
There she is. So it looks like the park closed at dusk. Here we are walking in. Around the corner. Got all the skateboard lesson stuff. Oh, entrance. Almost forgot the entrance. Lower Southampton. Pretty cool. So yeah, we got the skateboard, the carpet, the soft trucks, skater trainers in my bag. We're good to go. Yes. Wow, that's almost done. All right, so we gotta get our, here we go, around the park. And we're gonna talk about some kick turn stuff real quick. All right, one great transition trick is learning how to pump. And when you learn how to pump is,
Make sure wear a helmet and safety pads when you're learning half pipe tricks.
you go into your push, and you get turn that front foot in your wide stance, and do your switch fakie after the first one, and you're literally pumping, pushing down, and lifting up as you go up. Pushing down, you create momentum. This is a great skill to learn, because you don't have to push. Eventually, this is a great beginner skill you learn. Then you can try your kick turns. And then you could actually learn pump kick turns, where you turn and pump too. The skill takes a lot of just practice of like starting off with a good push into that wide stance, building up that speed, lifting up, pushing down my right foot, and I lift up and I push down my left foot as I come down. Lift up, push down my right foot, lean opposite direction, back and forth. Eventually get enough speed to do coping tricks.
All right, when you're doing a roll-in, you need to know how to drop in, you need to know how to ride off a curb, and you need to know how to manual. Because the main thing is, what I'm trying to explain here, is trying to hold that nose up, because your back foot's in the back pocket, and I'm actually doing this front side, and I'm going to pop off the back wheels by holding up the nose the whole time, and then drop in. So the key is holding up the nose by holding the pressure of the back pocket with your back foot. So, and you have to have confidence when you get to the top of the ramp. Need confidence here, and I'm doing it front side, so I need to look over my front shoulder and I need to turn front side into the ramp, and as I hold up the nose of the board and I pop off my back wheels, like doing a manual the whole time, and then as soon as I pop off my back wheels, I go into my drop in and then lean all my weight forward over my front foot into my drop in. Also, number one thing, you have to keep your body loose because you want to be committed, just like dropping in, so you have to keep that body nice and loose so you can roll off the back wheels and pop into your roll-in into the transition of the quarter pipe and absorbing that pump in. You want to get that strong push so you're committed to your roll-in, and you want to apply heel pressure so you can go to your front side turn into it and then push in the back pocket so you can do your manual, so you can pop off the back wheels and then pump into that transition, keeping your head over the front of your skateboard. And this will help keep your weight forward over the front of your skateboard so you stay committed to when you pop off your back wheels into your drop-in so you can pump into that ramp. So it's like you're changing from your back-footed weight to a manual into front-footed weight drop-in.
just got done the lesson. Now it's time to skate.
And they had this sketchy bench that was fun, the nose grind. I'll give you some tips. Nose grinds are just like nose manuals, so I decided to warm up with some nose manuals. So first I decided to hit it from the side that didn't have much of a runway. And it definitely was rusted up and needs some good old waxing. Clearly, I needed to start at a different angle to get more speed. So I missed my front truck, and I gotta focus more on landing on that front truck, just like a nose manual. Trying to do some sketchy 50s to get warmed up for this nose grind. This is where I almost get the nose grind, and I get the pinch on the nose in the nose manual, but I didn't get the pop out quite right. And after that stumble, I knew I had it this next shot. I knew it. So I knew I just had to keep that nice speed so I could get the timing right for the pop, and also to go right for the nose manual and keep it straight. And the key was to get that pop out at the end, like a nollie out, just like you're nollieing out of nose manual, and just pop out and then bend your knees right away clean. All right, we wrapped up the lesson. And now we're out. Skated till dusk. Place is open till dusk. Got a skateboard over there, Jay's over there, shredding. Out of here. Into the Pontiac. Guys want to see another episode of Skate Tours? Click up there. Peace out!